No, no, no. What if I don't get that job?
Looks like you're panicking.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm the panic headmaster.
And what's that?
This is the panic button.
What's the panic button for?
Well, whenever you're panicking, you press it and it makes you feel all better.
Oh, can I see it?
Yeah. What the hell? It's not working!
Oh, stop panicking. You might want to turn it on first.
Oh.
Stay calm.
Gee, thanks. I feel much better now.
Me too.
Anthony works in the grocery store, saving his pennies for someday.
Looks like you need the panic button.